Welcome to Universal Studios Singapore!
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning.
So it's super init here in Singapore.
It's such brand new information. Basta na lang kami pumasok kasi aircon at malamig.
Let us dance this night away.
Actually, hindi ko napanood yung movie na yun. Hindi ko alam yung story. Yung mga nakasalubong kami guys, alam namin nasa cruise din. Fairness, wala masyadong wait time sa mga rides ngayon. Akala namin yung nasa labas ay na yung merch. Hindi pa pala. Ito pa pala. So, good news. Tumawag na yung DCL kanina.
Lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. Get away from the drinks and chatter.
Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. We are still in Singapore. Today is Sunday, May 10, and we are headed to Universal Studios Singapore. So as you've seen in my last vlog, the first leg of our Disney cruise has been cancelled. So instead of being in a cruise ship right now, we decided to just make the most out of our time left here in Singapore to explore Universal Studios. So we've been there before, pero sobrang tagal na, like 2019, before pandemic pa. So medyo 50-50 ako nung una kasi nga mainit. Parang feeling ko hindi ako mag-enjoy sa theme park. Pero na-realize ko na since wala naman kaming gagawin, might as well just go to a theme park and explore. Sayang naman yung araw, and this is the last full day of Ann and Keith. So sabi ko, sige, fine, Universal Studios na tayo. And baka marami na rin namang bago since we last visited. So, we're still staying at Jen Singapore Tanglin Hotel by Shangri-La. So, we moved here from Crown Plaza where Disney originally placed us. Lumipat kami dito para mas malapit. Anyway, nagpa-prep lang kami and I'll see you at the park. Naalala mo na naman yung mag na naiwan namin. Binila namin ng Wicked na magsikit nung nag-Universal tayo, di ba? Nakalimutan namin.
Kasi tinabi namin.
Hindi, nakalimutan namin sa bahay. Hindi namin nabigay sa kanya. Konti lang yung merch nila. Wala masyado, no? May tag. Cute ng tag, oh. Pin. Yung Elmo talaga yung ano dito, eh. Like, dati pa. $18 yung set. Cute. Passport holder na Sesame Street. Retractable card holder. Magkano to? This one is $20. There's Universal Studios magnet. I think I want one. Probably this one. Sesame Street. $9 yung magnet. And then Minion. $9 yun. Ang cute nito ah. Ang tagal na itong magnet na to. Bumili ako ng ganito the first time I've been here. It's just like 2015, 16. Ito na yun. Hindi pa rin sila nagpapalit. Na Elmo magnet. Ang cute din ito, oh. Ang green is $8. Tapos ayan pa yung iba. Cookie dispenser. Cookie Monster mini candy dispenser. $22, 30% off. Ang cute. Ay, ang cute.
Para mas gusto mo.
How to Train Your Dragon.
Kasama ka kasi.
Pero mas bagay sa outfit mo kasi naka all black ka. Magkano yung ganito? This is $25, guys. Mga Minion is the same. Ayan yung mga Minions.
How to Train Your Dragon. $50 yung backpack. Hindi siya lounge fly. And then there's a tote bag over here. $25 naman siya. Then, yan si Toothless. Siya dragons. And this is 38. Mga caps na Universal Studios. This is a nice everyday tote bag. $35. They have this USS Globe container. Ano malalagay mo dito? Ayan siya. $28. Malalagyan. Cute. Oh! Mga cookies to, I'm thinking. Ay, candy. Ayan yung laman niya, oh, candy. Kano to? Nakita yung price, guys, eh. Ano ba to? Ah, ito. 18. Ayan. Mga generic shirts ng Universal Studios. And then we have bag tags over here. Ayan yung price niya. 8, 9, 10, 12, and 15. Depende sa klase. And then, ito yung mga more keychains. Magnet set. Ito ay 20. Apat na. Not bad. Mga lanyards. Ito yung mga mugs. $15. Yung tumbler. Very faint yung Universal logo. $29. And then this one. Ito bet ko. $29 din. There's an entire Hello Kitty world dito. Cute. Si Kuromi. Ang cute! 50 off oh, Mars. 50%?
Hindi kasi maganda yung tela dun sa kabila. Ito mas maganda ganun pa.
Ito, maganda to. 50%. $40, 50 off. So, 20 na lang yan. Then, ito mga ito. Sale yung mga Kuromi. Bakit? Are they not? Hello Kitty and Dear Daniel. New arrivals. Kano to? 40 to. And we have tumblers over here. Hello Kitty and Dear Daniel na tumbler. 29 yung tumbler. Keychains. Keychain set. $30. Ang cute ng mga Hello Kitty. I like it. 40 din yan. Ito mga pins. Ay, ang cute. This one is $15. This one is $18. $24. Ito mga Hello Kitty tops for kids. Ano to? It's some kind of toy na battery operated. Ano ba to? Parang Tamagotchi. Not sure. Pero that is $100. So, electrical toy siya. Ay, ang cute. Parang baon na, no? Hello Kitty Cafe. It's $38. Ayan. More Hello Kitty and Kuromi bags. Ay! Merong jersey dito na Hello Kitty. $74. $89. These are pens. $20 to. Okay. And some like little toys. Miniverse. Ayan. Mahilig si Ellie sa ganito dati, pero na-outgrow na niya ata. Ang cute sana nito, kaso hindi siya Universal Studios. Tsaka hindi siya Discovery Series.
So it's super init here in Singapore. Char.
And then, it's such brand new information.
Lechon belly.
Laro. First ride of the day. Basta na lang kami pumasok kasi aircon at malamig. I think it is a Sesame Street ride.
Uy, mukhang drop ko.
Let's build that spaghetti! Have no fear! I have everything! Glad it's coming to a boil! Take a wow! Every hero has saved the day! Super hot! Time to go back!
Parang super safe naman para sa bata to.
Kaya nga.
Bawal pa din yun.
Ito yung reason nila. Masasakal daw dito.
May mga ano din dito. Wala to doon sa kabila. So, Singlish yung tawag sa kanila. Ano yung sabihin ng kanla?
Ken.
Xiaolao.
Xiaolong bao. Charot. Hindi lang.
At paano naging English part yan? Yeah, pero like ito, Xiaolao. There's nothing is English there. Sweet. Ano ba to? Sweet na walang S?
Parang. Alamak is like parang.
Oh my God, are you a local?
Parang tawag doon? Expression?
Ay, alam mo lang.
Ito, yung last.
No, I don't know.
Ano yan?
Ito lang ang
Ibig sabihin yung last, science.
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 Jose, okay.
Ah.
I don't know. Jose.
Akala ko and technology.
Face palm.
Alamak na yung Elmo.
Face palm.
Moving on. Death-defying. Paano kung di natin ma-defy? Hanap ulit tayo ng mga indoor-indoor lang muna tayo. Mainit eh. Ano ba itong parang hall na to? Parang presidential hall na EM eh. May ganap ba dyan sa loob, guys? Let us know in the comments. Charot. Natatawa ako, Mars. Ang taas ng ano mo. Parang kulang ng flag. Transformers the ride. Ayaw niya ng 3D. Ano yun siya? Accelerator. Ito walang kapila-pila at all. Bakit nilalangaw tong ride na to? Pangit ba to? Battlestar Galactica. Ay nako. Nakita ko na naman tong ride na to. This is like the my most hated ride. The worst ride ever. Yang, ano ba to? Revenge of the Mummy ba yung tawag dyan? It's like, inalog-alog ka ng malala tapos hihiluhin ka lang. Dadaan lang kami, hindi kami sasakay. I'm not gonna ride this ever. May yung 30 minutes pa lang kami dito. Tagtak na ng pawis. Woo! Malalaspag ka talaga dito sa Singapore. Konting kembot mo lang sa labas. Wasted na. Grabe ang init. Naglilom kami saglit para mag-spray ng Gatsby cooling mist na meron si Kit. Ipopost ko dito kung ano yung tsura nun. Super effective siya. Ang lamig ng katawan namin kasi super init talaga. So ngayon, ang lamig na sa pakiramdam. Tapos meron akong electric fan na nakasabit. O, diba? Jisoo Life is Life. So naglalakad kami to find another indoor ride. Ang dami ng bago. Parang hindi ko na maalala anything here kasi 2018 pala yung last namin dito. Tagal na. 7, 8 years. Pero, uy, Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park.
Shrek.
O, tara. Saan yun? Let's go. Ay, si ano? Si Blue. Si Blue. Hi, Blue. Oh. Uy, oh, ano yun?
Ano?
Eh, no?
Puss in Boots na ano, parang mini roller coaster.
Okay, second ride of the day. Ay, parang theater something to, pero ang lamig, ang sarap. Hindi ko na lumabas dito. Dito na lang tayo hanggang mamaya. We're about to watch the Shrek show. Ang ganda ng Shrek show. Actually, hindi ko napanood yung movie na yun, so hindi ko alam yung story. So ngayon, mas naiintindihan ko na yung plot niya. Nalibang ako. And it's malamig. Nakakahilo lang kasi ano siya, 4D siya na ride. So may ganun, may maandar yung upuan. So, but it was a lot of fun. Okay, nagpapabili lang ako ng cup kay Paul. Kasi naiwan niya yung cup ko sa bahay and it's really, really hot outside. Anyway, off to the next ride. Kung saan man kami mapadpad. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Chick to chick.
May ride ba dito na auto train? May ride ba yon? Ah, wala.
Sa ano lang yun?
Sayang no, ang daming walang ride dito. Walang Harry Potter, walang How to Train Your Dragon. Bakit kaya? Ano yung reason kung ba't di nila dinadagdag dito eh?
Ito, tapos na nga tayo, di ba?
Oo, baka walang walang space. Yung mga nakasalubong kami guys na alam naming nasa cruise din. Kasi namukhaan ni Kit. So dito din sila pumapasyal. We're now at the Minion Mayhem, Despicable Me World. Dito ba yung nadapa si Nene? Dito ba yun? Yung sumubsob siya? Oo. Ay, Japan pala yun. Japan pala yun.
Sila Agnes.
Ay, oo nga. Super Silly Funland. Ito, 10 minutes lang Minion Mayhem. Let's go. Third ride of the day. In fairness, wala masyadong wait time sa mga rides ngayon. Kahit weekend. It's a Sunday and we fully expected na puno. But surprisingly, wala masyadong wait time. So, yun tayo sa Despicable Me ride. Hi! Minion Mayhem ride done. Naka-rotate na tayo. Hanap na kami ng food for lunch, guys. Hanap kami ng indoor na pwede makainan kasi it's time check, it's 12:43. Time for lunch. Lunch at Mel's Drive-In. Hey, dito na kami sa Mel's Drive-In. I got a burger for lunch. Well, got a fish burger. Ano ba yan? Fish burger. Ayan. Kain muna kami, guys. Okay, we're done with lunch. Diretso kami dito sa Trolls na show. It's right over here. Ay, meron dito. Hindi nga namin alam kung anong show to eh. Show, guys. Katawa. Cute. Okay, where to next? Actually, nakaikot na kami guys eh. We were back to almost sa front area. Nag-CR silang lahat guys. So I was actually pretty skeptical on doing Universal Studios for this trip. Kasi wala talaga siya sa plano ko for this trip. Kasi nga, ang nasa isip ko is vacation na relax mode. Hindi walkathon. It was actually a pretty fun activity na ginawa namin. Nag-enjoy ako kasi marami, although super init, karamihan naman ng rides indoor. So, masaya pa rin. Like, very pleasant yung, yung attractions na sinasakyan namin. Kaya, nag-enjoy ako. So, right now, actually, patapos na kami. So, actually, ano oras na ba? It's 2:41 p.m. So, I think we're gonna head to the front at bilihin yung mga pampasalubong sa family. I don't know kung saan kami next. So, baka umuwi na ng maaga kasi mag-empake pa to prep for embarkation day tomorrow. It looks like the sailing for tomorrow is gonna push through. So, kasi may group chat nga kami, so maraming. Yung mga guests na nagstay sa partner hotels, yung mga Disney reps daw doon. So, mukhang tuloy naman siya. So, since nagstay kami sa separate hotel na hindi partner hotel, we don't know, wala kaming DCL transpo. So, mag-grab na lang kami hanggang to the port, and then we'll just reimburse it. So, wish us luck tomorrow. Sana matuloy. Sana wala na maging aberya at sana ma-experience namin kung ano yung pinunta namin dito sa Singapore. Okay, ayan, tapos na sila mag-CR. We'll head to the front and do some last-minute shopping before we go home. Okay? Okay, we're done shopping. Tapos na kami guys sa Universal Studios. It's been fun. Lalabas na kami. Dadaan kami sa Visions of Magic pero hindi kami papasok. Kasi hindi daw masyadong worth it. Pero you can buy merch kahit hindi ka pumasok sa loob. So, we're gonna check out some merch there para makapamili. Tignan nyo guys, so may coffee shop yung Coach. The Coach Coffee Shop. Kulit eh. Parang parang yung sa LV, tsaka parang yung Chanel din ata meron sa Paris. Meron din dito, Coach version. Kulit. Yung mga merch nila dito. The Night Bus. Hogwarts Castle. Ito yung gusto namin eh. Ito ba yun? Or parang maliit to eh.
Maliit to.
Meron mas malaki dyan. Art prints for $40. Pencils. This is $12.90. Niffler na notebook. Mini notebook. $10.90. Collectible tapestry pin. Filled with English breakfast tea. This one is $20.90. This one is $30.90. May baso sila ng butterbeer dito. This one is $15.90. There's coaster. $15.90. Keychain. Butterbeer keychain. This one is $15.90. Pins. May pin. $12.90 yung pin. Ito yung t-shirt ng Butterbeer. $40. Oh, may una na Bellatrix Lestrange. Mga Slytherin. Hindi maganda yung Kano to? $32.90 yan. Ito, Death Eater. Malamang same price. Ang cute nito, Death Eater na set. Magkano tong set na to? Na-check mo na? Set na daw ba yun?
I think, walang
Sure. So, $22.90 daw yan.
Feeling ko kasama na po dito kasi
Gusto ko rin itong,
Yan, Death Eater na 30 plus yan eh. May mga folders sila na Niffler. Mga washi tapes. $5. And I think these are postcards. $12.90. Oh, they have a tote bag. $32.90. Ang mahal naman ng tote bag. Parang gusto ko sana, pero parang hindi naman siya worth it para sa presyo niya. They have mugs over here. Ano tong mug? Saka makakabasat pa ako. Ayan. $25.90. Ayan. Oh, they have hoodies. Hogwarts School of Fish Craftsmanship. Kakaiba yung hoodie nila. Ngayon ko lang nakita to. Dito lang meron ito, I think. We've visited Harry Potter sa Universal Orlando and Hollywood. Walang ganyan. I like it, but it's too big. Ano to? $90. Mahal naman. Parang hindi worth it. Cute nitong tote na to, yung Black Family Tree. Ito. $32.90 to, guys. I think I'm gonna get this, kahit na hindi ako Slytherin. Pero I want some memento from here. Akala namin yung nasa labas, ayun na yung merch. Hindi pa pala. Ito pa pala siya. Oh, guys. Oh. Tingnan nyo naman. Oh. Oh my God. Ang dami dito magaganda. Wait lang. Sa tumbler here. $18.90. Okay. All the ones are here. Yung mga stuffed toy. Si Hedwig. Meron din silang blind box dito. Anong mga potential laman ito? Ah, ito. Collect all 8. This one is $15.90. Eh, yun may Ravenclaw. Kung na tayo. Yung mga Ravenclaw items nila. Not much. But there is. I'm surprised na naglalabas sila ng mga ganito dito. Kahit na sobrang init sa Singapore. Ano tong ballpen? $12.90 yung ballpen. Ano pa floating candle effect nila dito. Ano to? Magnetic photo frame. $15.90. We have watch. Ang ganda ng watch. OMG. Cute! Ravenclaw na watch. Mahal naman. $75.90. I want sana, pero mahal. Ang ganda, ang fancy tignan. Pero realistically, I don't see myself wearing something like... Pero ang ganda niya. Like, ano lang siya, yung dainty, kumbaga. Ano to? Ay! Jewelry box. And siya. Ano bet ko to? This is $45. Nito, oh. Ganda pang display. Hi guys, it's many hours later. It's now 7:30 p.m. Nandito kami sa Tanglin Mall to have dinner at Wine Connection. So dito kami kakain ng dinner. After na nag-Universal Studios, bumalik kami sa hotel to nap. Natulog kami ng konti para magpahinga. And then, nag-dinner kami dito sa Tanglin Mall. So, ang maganda mag-stay sa Gen Tanglin, in fairness. Very affordable siya. Yung room namin was about 580 Canadian dollars for 2 nights with breakfast. So, not bad siya. Tapos, may direct connection siya dito sa Tanglin Mall. So, you can like always eat here or like do some grocery or shopping. So, very convenient na hotel siya. Highly recommend if you're going to Singapore. Dito siya sa Orchard Road, ano? Anyway, ayun. Namili kami ng konti sa grocery ng chocolates para kay mami kasi itong hikit. At saka pang konting pang pixie dust sa mga B2Bers namin for our cruise tomorrow. So, good news, tumawag na yung DCL kanina to tell us na pipick upin kami dito sa hotel bukas na umaga at 10 o'clock. Super grateful kami kasi kaya tumawag yung DCL kasi yung ibang B2Bers na B2B guests na tinawagan sila ng DCL, binigay yung number namin. Kasi nga hindi kami kilala ng DCL, parang for some reason we've been neglected at hindi nila alam kung nasan kami or something. So, binigay nila yung number namin. So, tinawagan kami ng DCL para sabihin na pipick upin kami. So, malaking luwag yun sa amin kasi mababypass namin yung path, yung port arrival time, and at the same time, maaga kami makarating sa port for tomorrow's sailing. So, at least nakakahinga na kami ng maluwag right now. So, ayun. So, for now, we're just gonna have some dinner. It's basically my birthday dinner. Birthday sa Lubong. My birthday is tomorrow. So, mag-dinner lang kami and then I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hey, for dinner, I'm having carbonara. Ano yung sa'yo, Mars?
Truffle, mushroom, and something. Chicken ba yun?
Truffle, mushroom, and something. Pareha sila ni Kit. Yan. It's pasta for dinner for tonight. Si FC, wala. Hindi siya umorder. Kawawa naman.
Yan na. Nakaan na to.
Okay, kain tayo. Hi guys, we're back in our hotel room. Magpapaalam lang ako. Magpapack na kami for tomorrow's embarkation day. So hopefully matuloy. Like, mukha namang matutuloy. Mukha siguro naman tinest na nila, 'di ba? Kasi kapag ka hindi pa to natuloy, magwawala na talaga lahat ng tao. Pero we're very, very excited. Hopefully, we get to finally experience Disney Adventure and experience what we originally came for. So, mag-aayos lang kami ng gamit namin for tonight. And then, I'll see you guys tomorrow for another Disney Adventure Round 2. If you're interested in watching those Disney cruise series, please make sure to subscribe para ma-notify kayo. If you have questions or anything I can answer, let us know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next vlog. Have a good day. Bye!